I am cooking Bangladeshi favorite food, sweet stuff. At first, rice 250 gram, milk 2 liters, sugar 500 gram, Cassia-leaf 4 pieces, cardamom, grated coconut.
At first, rice will be washed well in the water and keep it wet for 20 to 30 minutes. Now keep a nugget with 2 liters of milk and a couple of cups of water, better if it is a sauce or a pot. Keep stirring well with a spoonful of cassia leaves. When the milk becomes thick or it becomes half, add rice to it and keep stirring it a little bit. Remember, after the rice is boiled, add sugar. More sugar can be given if needed. The amount of sugar you need to pay depends on your taste. Now give it out of the frying pan. Turn off the induction cooker after 5 to 10 minutes. Now spread the grated coconut. Let cool. Serve after cooling.